hear that noise? Do you know what this is? Nope, it's not a dumbbell. It's your constant velocity axle, better known as CV axle. And this could be the source of that noise. You might not always have a clicking noise. Maybe you have a vibration upon acceleration. That could be caused by a ripped boot. Inside this boot, there's grease. The grease comes out, makes this joint stiff. And I'm going to tell you where that grease could possibly go. Looks like we caught this one just in time. It's only on the back side of the wheel and the back side of the backing plate. But if it does get on the back side of the rotor and on the brake pads, that's going to make your vehicle not stop correctly. At this time, you should check all of your axles. If you have a two-wheel drive vehicle, you have 2 front axles. If you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, you have 4, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. We identified our problem, and it is the axle. We're going to replace the axle with one from 1A Auto. 1A Auto also offers one in heavy duty. That's the one we're installing. Before reinstalling your axle, here's some tips that you want to check out before you do that. Now's a good time to check your wheel bearing from the backside where your axle goes through. Is it rusty? Is there grease coming out of the back of the wheel bearing? Now's a good time to replace it. When installing your axle into your transmission, make sure it's fully seated. If it's seated, it's not going to want to come out of the transmission. Make sure your axle nut is torqued properly. Not torquing your axle nut or over-tightening your axle nut, that can prematurely wear out your new axle. As you can see, our axle is installed. Now you want to take your vehicle for a road test, make sure there's no funny noises, and then bring it to a professional for a front-end alignment.